Hey guys, welcome to the tour of the amazing plant cell. Let's begin. Alright, since this is a plant cell, we have to start by going through the cell wall. The cell wall is made of sucrose and is made for protecting the plant cell. Now that we've entered the cell, look, it's the central vacuole. In plants, the central vacuole holds water to feed the plant, but it also helps with the structure. When the vacuole fills with water, it pushes out against the cell membrane and wall with turgor pressure. There are also smaller organelles that are similar to vacuoles called vesicles in the cell. They move different materials around the cell. Our next stop will be the nucleus. The nucleus is the brain of the cell, which holds the nucleolus. Inside the nucleolus, there's chromatin, which form together to create chromosomes. These chromosomes make the DNA of the cell. Now moving on to the endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. There's the rough kind and the smooth kind. These are also called rough ER and smooth ER. The rough ER has attached ribosomes that secrete glycoproteins. The smooth ER metabolizes carbohydrates. It synthesizes lipids, stores calcium, and detoxifies poisons. Speaking of ribosomes, there are also free ribosomes. These free ribosomes swim around in the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is made of mostly water and is what surrounds all the organelles of the cell. Now we're going to move on to the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus looks a lot like the ER. It consists of flattened membranous sacs called cisternae. The Golgi apparatus modifies products of the ER, manufactures micromolecules, and sorts and packages materials to transport into vesicles. Kind of like UPS for us. Oh look, there's also mitochondria floating around over here. They aren't a part of the endomembrane system, but they have their own double membrane and contain their own DNA. Mitochondria are the sites of cellular respiration. This creates ATP, which is like power for the cell. Oh look, now we've reached the chloroplast. The chloroplast is something really important for the plant cell. It's completely special. These chloroplasts are made of chlorophyll, which make the plant green. It is also the site of photosynthesis, which feeds the plants. Now we've reached the microtubules and the microfilaments. These are both part of the cytoskeleton. The microtubules are hollow cylinders, and the microfilaments are little rods. Well guys, we're reaching the end of our tour, but I'm going to leave you on this note. Plant cells are a little bit different than animal cells. Animal cells contain centrioles and lysosomes, while animal cells don't have either of those. They have a central vacuole and they have chloroplasts. They also have the cell wall, which makes them really unique. Many scientists have worked for a really long time researching cells, and they've concluded that eukaryotic cells have come from prokaryotic cells from the past. Oh hey, it's time to go. See ya guys!